How to set up PlayStation VRR settings. To set up PlayStation's VRR settings, first of all, you have to verify your hardware requirements. You must use a TV or gaming monitor equipped with an HDMI 2.1 port that natively supports VRR, and you also must use a ultra high-speed HDMI cable. And then you simply have to open your television's internal settings menu and verify that game mode, HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color, or Instant Game Response is fully turned on for the specific HDMI port in your PS5 or that PS5 is plugged into. Now you simply have to turn on the VRR settings within your PlayStation. Go ahead and tap on the setting gear icon on the top right corner from the home screen dashboard. Then go to the screen and video option and click on the video output tab in the left sidebar menu. Now you simply have to scroll down to the VRR section and then change it to automatic. Once you set it, you simply have to now enjoy your game. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.